Hello, my name is Elena Butler and I am introducing Pixton. Pixton is a web-based app that provides a variety of innovative opportunities to create unique stories and enhance writing through digital comics. So this is a wonderful opportunity for students and even teachers to create comic books that are digital based. To access this website, I went to pixton.com and this is what the homepage looks like. I'm going to press sign up so I can create an account. So when you create an account, it will lead you to student, educator, parent, or business, and I will just press educator. And I'm going to sign up with my Google account, but you have the option of Microsoft or Facebook to sign up. One of the very first things I tried out with Pixton when I opened up the app is I clicked on the avatar, and I was able to create a avatar based on these categories. They are very inclusive with this as far as like skin tones. They have a variety of colors. They include students who are like in wheelchairs or have hearing aids. Outfits belong to a variety of cultures. And they also include things like age that you wouldn't usually see too much when students get to create an avatar. So it's very open and inclusive to all students and all people. So this is what the dashboard will look like. This first one is the comic builder where you can create a comic. So you can create now and your saved comments will be at the bottom right here. So this is an example of one I made. I had a builder who's built a house and she's super excited. She says hi there and now she's walking off. So I will just kind of show you how that was done. So you will start here with your first panel, but I'm already on my third, so I just press add panel. And this will be a very similar process where I get to go pick my background. So I might keep the same background, same character, I can keep her. And maybe my character is getting a close-up now and she might see something, so I might see some add some words and might say, who is that? Maybe she sees someone. So then I will add that. And now you can see her asking the question. And now maybe her face is a little bit concerned. So I'm going to change her facial expression here. Or she could be confused. A little bit more of a confused face. And now I have a question mark to go along with it. Kind of help with that comprehension. And I might change the pose, but because I am doing a close-up, is not much needed, but I can show you like how some of the poses change right here. All right, so then I just press done and it will ask you to name your comic, but since I've already named mine, I do not need to do that. But then I can see all my comic strip and these can be printed or downloaded. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. You can have your own classroom and have your students join your class, and you can see their comic books that they have created on there. This website also gives a variety of lesson plan ideas. So these are some example of comics, and it goes with poetry, math, history, and grammar. There's even autism. There's quite a variety, and the list just keeps going and going. One of the ones I wanted to look at was Area and Perimeter, and it shares the story of a boy named Simon who's trying to build a fence, but he needs to know like how big to make it, and he knows his yard is 20 feet long and 15 feet wide, and so he's trying to figure out the perimeter and also the area. So students can also make their own comics, and this can be added to your comics as well to use. And then I press back. So now I'm going to go back to the app in my dashboard. They also have interactive rubrics so students can see tools, see how they will be assessed and what to look for. They also have printables with that has the avatars. It also has speech bubbles. And what I really like is that it's got a character map. So students are kind of working on creating those stories, which can be applied to their own writing as well. And here's some more options for printables. In the assessment feedback, they give some ideas of how to do a diagnostic assessment, some ideas for formative assessment, and some ideas for summative assessment. Overall, this is an overall view of kind of what it looks like. Right now, this is all unlocked just for 7 more days. So if you try this app, I would definitely try to get the most use out of it for free, because there is so many tools that you can use with this. If you do choose to get a plan, it will be $9.99 for just the teacher. For a whole classroom is $24.99. A class year yearly would be $9.99, and the district also has the opportunity to purchase this program as well. This is an overall view of Pixin and the amazing opportunities it gives students and teachers to create comics that can not only help students with creating stories, but also apply it to make real world connections.